Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Chamax Cards and Breaks. Got a couple of breaks tonight, starting with the 2015-16 Upper Deck Ice one box break, number H060, and then 15-16 The Cup one box break, number H065. We'll check that. Yep. So, okay, in front of us is a brand new sealed case of 15-16 Ice. Gonna get this one open here. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for their purchases, and as we all know, this is our 15-16 extravaganza, continuing now until the season starts. Lots more breaks up on eBay and our website, chamaxcards.com. Got a bunch more happening tomorrow night. Just to verify that, tomorrow night we got the Upper Deck Series 1, 15-16, and 15-16 Black Diamond. Both those are up on eBay right now. They're no reserve auctions, ending tomorrow night, a couple hours before the break, which is at 9 o'clock. So we'll take out one of these inners right here. We'll work on this one over the next couple weeks. And this product is going to be back up on eBay again tomorrow night, guys, for another box break. They're all 5-day, no reserve auctions. So you'll see this one appear tomorrow night again for the box number 2 of this case. There we go. Fresh inner case. We'll do the top one. Tomorrow night, that one's going up for auction. For a 5-day auction. All right, so doesn't want to focus on that for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. All right, so all cards going out except for base cards. Teams are on the left-hand side with the name of the owner of that team for this break. Again, 15-16 Ice. 4 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. There we go, and good luck. 1 second, let me just change over here. There we go. All right, never opened this product before. I've opened Ice, but not this year, so let's work together here. These are the base cards. Decoy. So this is the Premiers. These are the rookie cards. This is Jakub Slavin of the Hurricanes, number 1616 of 1999. First hit going to Thomas P., an excellent customer. Congratulations. And base card. So again, this product will be back up on eBay tomorrow. We also have a pick your team auction for this product as well. I believe it's a 4-box break, I think. It's up on eBay now. So just a set to price with teams that you can pick. Decoy. We have another Premier's card. Matthias Janmark. Stars, 260 out of 999. And base and base. It's quite nice cards. I like them. All right. Oh, we got our first Frozen Fabrics card. PK Subban, Montreal. Going to Thomas P. Nice looking card. Pack numero 4. All right. Oh, all right. We have a Premier's autograph, number 150 out of 499. It's going to be very hard to see, maybe. Of Joonas Donskoi of the Sharks. Going to Chase H. Nice hit. Let me bring back up here focus. There we go. Nice auto rookie card. We got another Premier's card, Andreas Athanasiou, 764 and 999 for Detroit. Going to Thomas P. Yeah, these are nice cards. Love them. Looking forward to breaking more of them. Like I said, there's a pick your team for this one now. I think it's 4-box pick your team. There's also the 1-box no reserve, which is going to be up tomorrow night for a 5-dayer. Okay, we have an exquisite. This is from the year. Ones are injected into all the different sets. This is Peter Forsberg, Colorado, going to Thomas P. Number 24. We'll go here. There you go. 24 out of 499. Exquisite Collection Legends. Nice. Nice hit. All right. Oh, what do we have here? We have a Global Impact card. Oscar Lindberg. New York Rangers. Going to Thomas P. Getting all the hits tonight, Thomas. Congratulations. And last pack of 15-16 Upper Deck Ice 1-box break number H060. Like I said, up again tomorrow night. And then also on right now is I'm pretty sure I put a 4-box break. It was a half case break. Pick your team. So you'll see that up on eBay, on our eBay store right now. And I'll have it up on our web store by tomorrow. We have Mark Alt of the Flyers. Ice Premiers, 206 out of 1999. Or sorry, 205, correction. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Thomas P. And then base card, base card. Okay, so that will do it for the 1 box of